Howdy, this is Fred with Mission Ridge Range and Academy. If you have a little extra spare time on your hands and you're anything like me, you probably are looking to upgrade some gear. So what we're going to do today is a quick little modification to your Glock and swap out the back plate for something cool. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the firearm is clear by dropping the magazine, which we already did. And then we're going to lock the slide to the rear and verify that it is clear. If you need help field stripping your Glock, you can go ahead and check out one of our previous videos, but I'm just going to run through it real quick right here. So the only tool you're going to need for today is something like an Allen key or a punch of some sort that will let us kind of put some pressure on a sleeve over here. So looking down in here, the pieces we're going to be working with today are going to be the striker sleeve, which is a little piece of plastic right on the inside of the striker, and then the back plate itself. What we're going to be doing is putting some pressure on the plastic sleeve and pushing it towards the muzzle to let some pressure off of the back plate. Once we've got the pressure off the back plate, we can pull it up and the back plate will slide right off. And then we'll put our custom Mission Ridge back plate on from Classy Raptor Tactical. In order to do that, we just need to depress the sleeve again, and then also depress this little pin right in there, and it'll snap right on. Then we're going to just go ahead and reassemble the gun. And there you go, your classy new back plate. If you want to give this project a try, just come on down to our shop at Mission Ridge Range and Academy, and we have a bunch of different back plates that Classy Raptor makes for a bunch of different Glock models. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.